Welcome Daipi Sogong aboard. Your learning journey starts now. Ever wondered how a single doctor can shake up global pediatric medicine? Well, buckle up, because we're about to meet Professor Jiao Fuyong, who just did exactly that in Brest, Belarus. Forget the red tape, let's get straight to the heart of the story. Alright, picture this. Kawasaki disease, a tricky little beast causing heart problems in tiny kids. Now, imagine its sneaky cousin, incomplete Kawasaki disease or IK. It hides, it mimics other things, and doctors worldwide are scratching their heads trying to catch it. Enter Professor Jiao. He didn't just study TD, he tackled it head on. His masterpiece? The first ever Chinese guideline for diagnosing and treating IKD, published in a top UK journal. This wasn't just a paper, it was a game changer. He crafted a brilliant three-stage system. Spot it early, nail the diagnosis, treat it right, and manage it long-term. Think of it as a superhero playbook for pediatricians everywhere, giving them clear, actionable steps based on real-world experience. That's not just knowledge sharing, that's rewriting the rulebook. So, what happens when you bring such brilliance to the table? You get showered with accolades. And Professor Jiao didn't just get one pat on the back. He walked away with three major honors from Belarus. First, an honorary doctor title from the Brest Children's Hospital. Basically, they're saying, your expertise is legendary. Second, the Special Contribution Award from the Belarus Medical Association, recognizing his work elevates standards globally. Third, the highest contribution award from the Brest Health Bureau, celebrating his role in strengthening ties between China and Belarus. These aren't just shiny trophies, they're powerful endorsements. They scream, Chinese medicine, especially TCM, has something vital to offer the world, and Professor Jiao is leading the charge. It's a testament to dedication and skill that transcends borders. But wait, there's more. Getting these awards wasn't the end game. Professor Jiao used this platform to build bridges. He signed a formal cooperation agreement with the Brest Children's Hospital, locking in joint research under a national Sino-Belarus tech program. Imagine two medical powerhouses teaming up. He also showcased China's unique strengths in TCM rehabilitation, letting Belarusian experts see firsthand how traditional wisdom meets modern needs. This isn't just about treating kids. It's about creating a lasting partnership, leveraging the Belt and Road Initiative to share medical advancements. It embodies that beautiful spirit of doctors everywhere, dedication to healing, a love, and the belief that helping a child is helping humanity, no matter where you are on the map. So, what does this all mean looking forward? It means a new chapter in Sino-Belarus medical collaboration is officially open. It shows the world that TCM isn't just history, it's a living, breathing resource for global health. Professor Jiao's journey is inspiring us all, students, enthusiasts, future innovators, to keep pushing boundaries, to collaborate across cultures, and to use our knowledge to make a difference. The path ahead is bright with possibility.